Hey guys, welcome to the Stagecraft team. If you're watching this video, that means you've selected to go the crew route instead of the cast route. You'd rather be backstage than on stage. And that's awesome because we need people backstage. So this is a little intro video about how to be a behind the scenes person and what's going to be expected of you for the rest of this semester. So this is what you're going to learn. All right, you're going to learn set design, how to design sets, how people plan them out. We may even do some modeling. That's my goal. You're also going to learn prop mastering. A prop is anything that a actor holds. Like this mug is a prop. Some props are easy, like a mug. Other props we need to build, like a time machine or a freeze gun. These are all things that we would have to build from scratch. So you're also going to learn how to organize props and make a prop table. You're going to learn costume design, and I know for some of you dudes, you guys are like, that's for girls. Costume design is really fun, actually, and it's a really good area to be creative. And you have to do it, so get over it. All right, so costume design, learn how it fits a character. It's not just, they're going to wear a shirt and pants, but what color is the shirt and pants going to be? Is there going to be a design on it? How are we going to do, their jacket up where so it looks like they're disorganized or they're a really clean person? All these people would dress differently, especially on the stage. It's very cartoony on the stage. So the audience can see just by looking at people, oh, dude, that person looks evil. And it's your job to dress them like they look evil. Makeup design and application. We're going to be learning how to apply makeup. And again, this is an area for the guys like, what? Hopefully we can get into some special effects makeup or some making artificial nose, ears, things like that. Again, very creative stuff that hopefully you'll enjoy. And again, you're going to have to do it. All right. Lighting design. Lighting design is how we're going to light the stage. Right now, our lights are pretty minimal, but you're still going to work on designing the lights as if we had a full lighting plot in. So again, if the scene is the morning, what colors would you show? If the scene is sad, what colors would you show? So we'll be working on that. Sounds and cues. We'll be learning how to set up the cues, how to run them, and how to find them. And even a little bit of sound mixing and creating some sounds. Also, some stage managing. A stage manager runs the whole show and calls the cues. And everybody will be learning how to do that. Everybody will be learning all of these. We might not get to some of them by the end of the semester, and that's all right. But the idea is everybody does one at a time because this is Drama 1, and it will be preparing some of you guys who are interested to graduate into drama production. In drama production, you're going to pick one or two of your favorites, and you just get to do those. But in Drama 1, you'll be learning a little bit of everything. So this is what you'll do. You'll be doing a lot of training videos just like this. In fact, I can't imagine a time where you won't be learning how to do something outside of a training video first. Because the class is split in two. I have my actors and I have my crew members, and I can't teach both at the same time. So you'll have to come in. I'll let you know, all right, guys, training video's up. You'll have to watch the video. And there'll be questions you might have to answer, but it will tell you the instructions on what to do for your project, whatever the project's going to be for that week. So you have to watch a lot of these videos. And for you, 7th and 8th graders, it's tough sometimes to stay focused. You think, oh, videos, free time. It's not the same. If you view this as free time, get prepared to have an F in this class because training videos are going to teach you all the crucial skills you need to complete the assignments, and that's how you get your grade. I'll talk about that in just a second. You'll also be doing designs and justification. So a design is, I'll say, hey, design how you would make the costume for this person. A justification is just a short paragraph telling me why you decided to make the design the way you did. And hopefully you'll show that you understand some of the design techniques that we've talked about or that you've read about. You will possibly be playing, and I put the term play in quotations because a lot of stuff we do here feels like playing, but it's actually the work that we do. And if you enjoy it, it even especially feels like playing. So we'll be possibly playing with lights, sounds, makeup, and construction for the Drama 1 class or for drama production. Sometimes drama production has too much work they need to do to get ready for the next play, so we'll give some of it to you guys, and it'll be good hands-on stuff that you guys will get to do. Also, it's not on here, but you will be reading out of the textbooks. The textbook that we have has a lot of good instructions on how to do designing and what's expected of the crew. So you'll be doing some of that. All right, this is how you'll be graded. You'll be graded on finishing the training videos. The training videos will all be posted on Edpuzzle. On Edpuzzle, I can see if you watched the video, or if you just started it and walked away, or if you pressed play and then did something else. I'll be able to see all that. So you need to watch the videos, because not only will Edpuzzle let me know how much you watched, but also I'll know when I ask you about the video or ask you about your work, and you're like, oh, I don't know we were supposed to do that. And I'll be like, it was in the video. So you'll be graded on finishing the videos, and the bulk of your grade will be on finishing the projects. This is project-based learning, meaning that there won't really be homework unless you don't finish the stuff in class. But I'll say something like, hey, you need to make this prop by Friday. And you will have the next 3 or 4 days to make the prop. It's going to be tough for a lot of you guys. 7th, 8th grade, you guys get distracted. You'll need to learn how to stay on task. It may feel like, I got 3 days to do this. I don't need to do any of this until like the day before. The day before will come. You'll be behind. You'll get stressed out. You'll try to rush through it. It won't be good. You'll get frustrated. Then you'll say this class is dumb. All because you just didn't get to work from day one. You need to work on day one. Because as you guys are working, I'll be working with the actors, or I'll be working with some of you guys one at a time, pulling you aside and helping you with your projects. So staying on task is going to be key for you guys to getting at least a C or higher in this class. So make sure you do that. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, but this was just a rough intro to Stagecraft.